Sashaboo!
Welcome to Sashaboo, let's dream big today. Sasha's here to help you find your way. There are so many things that you can be. Come along with Sasha, let's see what we see. You could be a doctor, helping people heal, or a firefighter with nerves of steel. Maybe a teacher, guiding kids each day, or a builder, making homes where people stay. You could be a chef, cooking up a treat, or a scientist, making discoveries neat. How about a pilot, flying through the sky, or an artist, letting your colors fly high? Come sing with Sasha on Sashaboo today. We're exploring all the jobs in a fun-filled way. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, dream big, work hard, your future's so sweet. Now it's game time, what do you see? Which job would you like to be? Do you want to help people feel okay? Then a doctor might be your way. Do you love to draw and paint? An artist's life might be quaint. Do you like to bake and cook? A chef could be in your book. You could be a veterinarian, caring for pets, or a farmer, growing food with no regrets. Maybe a dancer, moving to the beat, or an astronaut, exploring space so neat. How about a musician, playing joyful tunes, or a gardener, growing flowers that bloom? You could be an engineer, building things so tall, or a writer, creating stories big and small. We've explored so many jobs today with Sasha and Sashaboo. We've found our way. No matter what you choose, don't be shy. With hard work and dreams, you'll reach the sky. Do you love to help animals all day? Then a vet might be your way. Do you like the stars and the moon? Maybe an astronaut will fly there soon. Do you like to play and sing a song? A musician is where you belong. Do you like to build and design? An engineer's job could be fine.
Thanks for dreaming big with us today. With Sasha and Sashaboo, you'll find your way. Remember, you can be whatever you dream. On Sashaboo, where fun and learning are always supreme.
Sashaboo!